All right, John McKeag, LibertyAidAcademy.org. How you doing? Did you get our trust? Did you escape having to pay income taxes? Great. Fantastic. There's so many other benefits. Get an EBT card. I'll probably do that one next. Anyway, let's do. Do you have student loans? No, you don't. Your person does, right? Your corporate soul does. Your corporation you're giving at birth has student loans, maybe. Okay, you don't, and so you use a trust, right? You're no longer using your person, so guess what? Your person has no income, right? Zero. It doesn't even have a bank account anymore. Fantastic. You're just using the trust. Get around the whole person taxes thing. Also, another benefit: don't have to pay your student loans ever, ever. Uh, you just get in this income driven repayment plan. You write down zero income for your person, which is completely true. And so you don't even have a bank account for it. So that's that. And this makes it, and they approve you, okay. And you have to get reapproved every year basically. And you just click, 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 and they approve. That's it. And then your student loans exist, right? And they're on your credit report, but and they report is not you're not paying, but it's all good. It reports positively. Oh, great! It's just not due right now. That's it. And so, I have one client that has $250,000 in student loans. She operates a trust. She pays zero to it all the time. Never pays a penny. So anyone could do their best in service to others. They could go get a law degree. They could go get an MD. They could, get whatever training they need for whatever license would allow them to, help more people make more money, that kind of thing. And then you don't operate that person, you see. You operate your trust. In the future, you could get into a W 9 situation or one where you just get paid money. You're not in W 2, so nothing to report, nothing, no taxes. You're always at zero, never paying student loans. Zero. Forever. So, just one of the many, many benefits of getting the trust we have at LibertyAidAcademy.org. Who's next?